precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acids.
Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are the key producers of acid rain. Sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form sulfurous acid. When the sun heats up the upper atmosphere, the sulfurous acid and oxygen molecules grow excited. They then move faster and undergo more successful collisions, forming sulfuric acid. Similarly, nitrogen dioxide reacts with water to form a mixture of nitric acid and nitrous acid. The sun heats up the upper atmosphere, making the nitrous acid and oxygen molecules excited. They move faster and undergo more successful collisions, resulting in the formation of nitric acid. Both acids are soluble in water. They dissolve in water droplets in the air and fall to the earth as acid rain. While rotting vegetation and erupting volcanoes release some chemicals that can cause acid rain, most falls because of human activity. The biggest culprit is the burning of fossil fuels by coal-burning power plants, factories, and automobiles. Acid rain strips soil of essential nutrients and releases aluminum in the soil, which makes it hard for trees to take up water. Acid rain most impacts lakes, streams, wetlands, and other aquatic environments. It makes waters acidic and causes them to absorb aluminum that makes its way from the soil into lakes and streams. This combination makes water toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and other aquatic animals. Buildings and monuments made of marble or limestone, including the Lincoln Memorial, are also affected by acid rain. This happens because limestone neutralizes acid rain. However, it is consumed in the reaction, resulting in damage to both man-made and natural limestone formations. Scientists are studying the processes of deterioration to find effective ways to protect and repair our historic buildings and monuments.
Acid rain falls in Dallas, though it is not as severe as it is in other parts of the country.
Nitrogen and sulfur dioxide are emitted by factories, power plants, and cars right here in Texas. Eastern Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana probably contribute to the acid deposition in Texas as well because of the proximity of their industrialized areas to Texas.
Natural sources may also contribute, including the salty air from the Gulf of Mexico and coastal marshes, sulfur emissions from coastal marshes and mudflats, and alkaline soils from West Texas, which are blown across the state.
The only way to fight acid rain is by curbing the release of pollutants that cause it. This means burning fewer fossil fuels.
Even if the acid could be stripped away, it would still take many years for its harmful effects to disappear.
When acid rain is formed, it reacts with diatomic oxygen in the atmosphere. All air-breathing life forms depend on this oxygen, but the amount in our atmosphere has been decreasing.
The oceans and biosphere regulate the levels of oxygen and CO2 in the atmosphere, but the atmosphere is not able to reproduce all by itself. Acid rain damages these vital systems that would normally restore the atmosphere's oxygen.
Scientists debate whether or not the damage that has already been done to the atmosphere is reversible. But if we want to continue to see the abundant and diverse plant and animal life on Earth, one thing is certain.
The atmosphere needs fixing.